Namaste students, Kushro Vidya. I, Iam Dr Chandrakala, Assistant Professor to the Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the seeds. A seed is the embryonic plant enclosed in a protective outer covering. The formation of the seed is the part of the process of the reproduction in the seed plant. So, in the spermatophytes, that is including the germination and angiospermic plants, the seeds are the product of the ripened ovules after fertilization by the pollen and some growth within the mother plant. The embryo is developed from the zygote of the seed coat of the ligaments of the ovule. The seed is developed from the zygote of the seed coat from the integument of the ovules. Seeds have been an important development of the reproduction and the success of the gymnosperm and angiospermic plants. So the relative of the most primitive plants such as the fern, moss and the liverwort, which do not have the seeds and use water-dependent means to propagate themselves. The seed plants now dominate the biological niche on the land. For foreigns to the green lands, both in hot and cold climates. The term seed also have a general meaning that intends thereby giving some like sown on the seed of a potato or a corn or a sunflower. In case of the sunflower and corn, the seeds which are sown which have a enclosed shell or a husk, whereas the potato is a tuber. So many structural common refer to as a seed as the actually dry fruits or the plants producing berries called baskets, and the sunflower seeds are sometimes sold commercially where still enclosed within or hard wall of the fruits, which must be still the open to the reach the seeds or differentiates the group of the plants having other modifications and so called the stone fruits. So have a hardened fruit layers and food with the surrounded axis seeds or the nut or one-seeded hard shelled fruit of some plants with the indecent seeds or such as acorn and hazelnut. So here the seed production are produced in several related groups of the plants and their manners in production distinguish the angiosperms and closing the seeds of the gymnosperms. So the angiosperms seeds are produced in a hard fleshy structure called the fruits that enclose the seeds from the protection in order to secure a healthy growth or grown into a plant, or some fruits have a layer of both hard and fleshy material. So in gymnosperm, no specific structural development to enclose this seed. So here the angiosperm seed consists of three genetical distinct constituents. Embryo formed from the zygote, the embryo endosperms which are diploid, and the seed coat from the tissue derived from the material tissue of the ovule. So here the development of the seeds in twin and angiospermic seeds develop into ovules and then forms the embryo and the seed coat, whereas in gymnosperms their shapes and appearance and structure. So different types of seeds take place, which have a nutritional storage for the and the seed coat and the size and seed sets having the different functions of the seeds. We can see that it provide a nourishment, uh, seed protect and nourish the embryo of the young embryo and the dispersal. It helps in dispersal of the from one place to another place, a way to disperse offsprings to different places or by wind or by air, or like by wind through animals, through hydroponics, or different sorts of techniques. The seeds are being thrown off to different places in spreading the biodiversity. So here the dormancy which has to function, that is the first is synchronizing the germination with that of optimum conditions for survival, and that results in the seeding of the second, and is spreading the germinations of the branch or the seeds over the time, and it uh, grow up, grow and forms different types of uh, things. The seed dormancy is defined as the seed falling here phase to germinate under the normal environmental conditions. So here seed dormancy also takes place, and by physical, it can be breakdown to physical, chemical, or morphological dormancy, or drying of or photodormancy or thermodynamics, which we will study in the future classes. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 to the Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss